it's Adeline vlogging here, and today I'm going to be doing the slime store. And this is a skit, and remember to say down in the comments down below hashtag slime squad or hashtag creative club, because that's a new club I made. And let's just do this. So guys, here we are at the slime store, so let's go in. So I see their slime selection now, so let's just look at them. So the large slime is $5, so let's look at those. So now let's open these up, see what they would look like. This one's really damaged, but I guess it's okay. It's like really hard to stretch. I don't think I would want to get that one. And now I'm going to be looking at this one. So we have this one. Oh, and we're allowed to take the slime out of the containers. Sorry for like the background noise. Yeah. This slime looks really cool. I think I might want to get this. And I have my bag with me, so that will be handy. It's really nice slime, so I think I'm going to get this one. I'll just put it back in its container. And I'm getting this one, so I'll just set this one aside. So my slime is right there, but here's the medium slime for $3. So let's go open these up and see what they look like. So first I'm going to open up this putty or slime stuff. So this one looks really cool, and it's a lot nicer than this one. So I'm going to take it out of the container and squeeze it with my hands to see if I would like to get this one. So I finally got it out of the container. It's like really nice slime. So I'm going to get this one because it's like really nice. So let me put that back on and put it in my pile. Here's the small slime for $1. And here's the slimes they have. Oh, whoops, I forgot to open up that one to see what it would look like. So let's open that up. This one's okay, but it feels like really weird. I don't think I'm gonna get this. So I don't like the texture of it, I guess. And yeah, now we can go look at the small slime. So I think I'm gonna get this one, except I'm gonna take it out of the bag to see like the texture and stuff. So yeah, let's do that. And it also comes with this little guy who's supposed to like slurp and barf up the slime or whatever. So I'm gonna take this out of the bag. So I'm gonna open up this. I really like the texture of this. Like, it looks like it's sticking to you, but it isn't, if you know what I mean. And it can do this. Which is disgusting, and barf it back out. And thank you, OPS Rainbow Rose, for getting this for me. Thank you. So I might get this one, so I'm going to go put it back in the bag and check out these two. So let's go do that. So I might get these ones, so I'm just going to put them off to the side. So let's look at these ones. I'm going to look at this one first. Ooh, I really like this one. I really like the texture of it too. It's like really nice. But it's also like sticky at the same time. It's really sparkly. Oh no. So I got the slime off the table. So let's put that back in the container. I'm gonna look at this one last to see if I'll get it. So I'm gonna open this up. It's really hard. I'm gonna take this out of the container and see what it feels like. It's very metallic-y, like I like the color, but it's just like so hard to stretch out. So I don't think I'm gonna get that one. But deciding between these two, I think I'm going to get this one. And yes, let's go to the cash register. Yes, darling. Are you all ready to go with your slime? Here you go. Okay, that will be hold on, let me count this up for you. That will be $9, okay? Okay, here you go. Here's my card. Thank you. Here you go. Would you like a bag for that? And now I have a bag. Thank you. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you like this video and comment #SlimeSquad or #CreativeClub. And you will get a shout out. So my shout outs are, hold on. My shout outs are LPS Rainbow Rose, Victoria Humble, Star LPS, and Unikitty. So thank you for being nice and commenting nice stuff, and I hope you have a nice day or night. So thanks for watching. Bye.